Do you feel like that LLMs are giving irrelevant information? NotebookLM can resolve that issue very easily. Do you want to know how? Do the intro.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so NotebookLM is an application that is developed by Google, and the primary purpose of this application is to find out and research on different from the LLMs that we use right at the moment, because in the LLM you just type anything and it will respond back to you. But over here, as soon as you open it up, you'll see this screen. In this screen, you have to add the source. Without it, it won't work properly. So this is an extremely important part of this application. Like for example, I put my website over here. And I add that as a source. Now it already went through the website, and now I can ask the questions over here. Does this website work in cloud? See, this is like it's providing me the specific information that my website has. Alright, what if I want to get so you see that it is providing exact information. Like I know I've done these projects, AI based projects, so it is giving me that information that I want, and this is working very nicely. Now this is not the only thing that NotebookLM does. If you look over here, there's a lot of other things as well under the Studio tab. There's audio overview, video overview. Some of the good things about this is infographics, such as slide deck. For example, in this case that I want to, the information that it has provided me, I want to convert this into a note. I have converted this into a note, and then once that is converted, I can convert it into a source as well. So I'm just going to convert all notes to sources, so everything in that document, in that file, goes as a note. Now I can also select a specific source over here and just talk about that specific source. Alright, so behind the scenes what I did was I clicked on Studio, and in Studio I clicked on audio, video, and then some infographics to see if it is showing me correct information on those the studio that we are using. So let's see the first thing, Symbia Canada AI Software Innovations. So this is the infographic, and you can see over here that's providing me all the information there is on my website. Different kind of software I have built, Symbia Canada has built, and on the right side it is showing that it is a full stack technical. So it is providing me with the correct information. However, it is not using the color scheme that I have on my website. So this is something that the NotebookLM lacks. Alright, so next we go to our video. Let's see how it does.
You know that feeling when your business software just doesn't fit? Like you're constantly trying to jam a square peg into a round hole? Well, today we're going to take a look at a company called Symbia Canada thing, right? When you settle for a standard solution, you almost always have to compromise for the client's thing. The proof, as they say, is in the pudding. And here you go. This is from Mohammed Nasir. This shared their expertise on over 30 different consulting projects. So what happens when you put all that together? It's a roadmap.
Yeah, so I went through the video quickly just to see if it is working fine. It is looking nice, but it's again the same problem. It is not using the theme that I have, and to change this video to the theme that I'm using on my website, it won't be easy. So it is a good application, or it is a good video. All right, guys, you watched the video, and I hope you liked it. This is just the basics of the NotebookLM that is being used right now. So do share and subscribe.